Turnover. Single.
Ilan pala kasi mga ikot?
Albert. Rice. Mark Henry. 3. Wala. Rebound.
Symbol.
Single. 14 second shot clock. Number 33. Wala. Sabah. 2 points. Jesse, pass to Ryan. Back to Jesse. Back to Ryan. 10 seconds to shoot. Ryan, pass to Deso. Zamora. Number 11, wala. Rebound, number 33. Out of bounds. Zamora, pass to Deso. Fires a 3. White left. Rebound number 32. Roll. 10 seconds. Jordan team, wala. Rebound Ryan. El Desor. Bang! 3 points for Ryan El Desor. Albert, pass to Roy. Pass to Mark Henry. Pinasang number 33. Foul. Foul number 30. First personal foul. First foul. So shot for number 33. First shot is good. Second shot is good. Winter, pass to Zamora. 10 seconds. Price. Perfect foul. Foul number 12.
12 ba?
First personal foul. First personal foul. Jesse. 8 seconds. 3 seconds. Jesse, wala. Rebound Mark Henry. Pinasa kay Albert. Out of bounds. Mark ball. Jesse. 10 seconds. Foul. Out of bounds. Henry, pass to number 19. Albert. Pinasakay. Steal by Ryan. Ryan, pinasakay Jesse. Tumira. 2 points. Albert fakes, rides, steal. Number 11, steal by Ron. Pinasakay Mark Henry.
Sub ref.
Sabi ito sa ref.
Mamaya. Sub, mamaya.
Mamaya. Resume. Number 3 is fouled. Foul number 40, second personal foul, second team foul. 2 shots for number 33. First shot is good. Two out of 2 for number 33. Namora drives, layup, voila, rebound number 33. Ron, pass to Albert. Albert. Voila, rebound Zamora. Foul number 10, Mark Henry. First personal foul, first team foul. 18 seconds to shoot, 18 seconds. Jesse? 10 seconds.
Stop.
Foul number
10.
Sabi ko sa rep?
Second.
Number 10, second personal foul, third team foul.
Push-up pala. Oo nga eh.
The shots for Zamora. First shot is good.
Hirap talaga magtrabaho pagka may ganito pa. Makantukin talaga. May ganito. May ganito. Hindi, imbis na kulang din kasi ako sa tulog kagabi. Kung sa tulog, una na yata. Okay. Ano oras ka start? 6? 7. Fuck. Wala ka masyadong ginawa.
10 seconds shot clock. Number 33, 2 points.
Happy birthday.
Jesse spins. That's all for 3. Voila, rebound Zamora. Pulls up. Voila, rebound Jesse. Tumira. Voila, rebound by Winter. Winter, 2 points. Out of bounds, back ball. Caldeso, pass to Jesse, Tumira 3, bang! 3 points, Jesse. Albert, voila, rebound Zamora. Caldeso, pass to Jesse. Pinalik kay Peso, Tumira ng 3. Wala. Jump ball. Black ball. Jesse, 14 seconds to shoot. Binigay kay Winter. Hello. Reverse. 2 points. Shot clock is off. It's still by Argol. Jesse. Binigay kay Zamora. Drives. Pinasulog. And that's the first walker.
Full charge ka ba? Kailan makable mo, di ba?
Yellow ball.
Ay!
Out of bounds, dark ball.
Siguro napapakamot sa hindi makate. Ha? Napapakamot ka sa hindi makate.
Zamora. Mid-range. Processing. Jesse out. Steal. Nasay Jesse. 2 points.
Tabi ka sa time out.
Archer, pass to Hunter. Pinasa loob. Boy, wala. Rebound. Yellow.
Huwag mamasok kayo dyan, light. Huwag yung paglaro dyan, light.
Archer, wala. Rebound. Archer ba rin? Archer, pinasa number 33. Wala. Rebound. Jesse. 10 seconds. El Mundo, pulls up. Wala. Rebound, Archer. Pinasay Arnold. Siya naman. Wala pa rin. Yellow. Black ball.
Ah!
Rebound, black ball.
Namali lang ng turo. Sige siya tumitingin sa atin.
Winter, pass to Jesse.
Nakalit ka. Alam ko nag-iinom ka na eh. 10 to shoot ko yan.
10 seconds to shoot. Steal by the window. Pinasay Arnold. 2 points. Jesse. Pinasay Winter, reverse. Basket. May kasama bang pa?
Sino ba? Si Ian. Hindi ko nakita eh.
Ball number 5, Del Mundo. First personal foul, first foul.
Ganda ng pass. Solid.
Ball shot is good para kay Winter.
Ayaw mo.
Arnold.
Una! Libre oh!
Pinasay Toy. 10 seconds. Del Mundo. Toy, wala. Rebound.
One!
Foul number 25. First personal foul, first personal foul. Baseline inbound, 14 seconds to shoot.
Rebound.
Two shots, di ba?
Steal by Argol. Zamora against Argol. Zamora, pinasakay, Waton, Black. Armas, Black ball.
Parang nasa ganun na yung nilo. Hindi ka sabi ko eh. Black ball sa black ball. Black tsaka dark.
Winter, pinasakay Jesse. Zamora, Raj. Ball number 5, Fabio Sorrep. Number 5, second personal foul, second team foul.
2 shots ba? Base.
14 seconds to shoot. Sales. Pinasa kay Jesse. 8 seconds. Jesse, side step, pinasa. Sales, wala. 4. Wala ba na? Pero may foul. Sabi ko sa ref. Foul number 5. Del Mundo, third personal foul, third team foul. Two shots for number 28, 1-4.
May kulang ba sa Ginigilos? Kuya Dudes.
1 out of 2.
Siya makakalaro. Pumunod nun nung Sabado eh. Last week? Ano ba naglaro siya ng Thursday? Oo, namamaga po. Putik. Nilaro ka rin.
Kuya, pinasa kay Jess. Full shot. Wala. Rebound. Black ball.
Si ano? Dingmar. Brian. Sumarja na si Brian. Oo. Lalaro yun pag Tuesday, di ba? Naglalaro ba? Hindi ba?
Balik!
Jesse, pass to Zamora. 10 second shot clock. Zamora. Wala. Rebound call.
Sige mo na!
Boy. Lea is number 3. Sabi ko sa ref. First personal foul, second team foul. 2 shots for number 7. Paul.
Pangalan niya dyan? Marisol ba? Yoko. Madison.
First shot no good.
Sunod Bicos. Sunod Bicos.
Second shot no good. Baseball pass to Zamora. 2 points. Yeah. Traveling violation. Technical foul number 5. Number 5. Fourth personal foul. Substitution ref.
Sino nilabas? Siya. Nalabas ba?
Zamora Modu. Winter. Wala.
Siya pa rin pala. Pala nilabas.
Jesse. Pinasa kay Espino. Birthday boy. Ano ba? Yes, is foul. Foul number 10, Zamora. First personal foul, 13 foul. Again, wala. Buda kay Espino. Pinasa kay Winter. Baseball pass to Zamora. Nasa kay Jesse. 10 seconds. Sales. Tumira. Wala.
Hindi
40. Who's foul, ref?
Foul number 40. Third personal foul. 14 foul.
Mura.
Basta mura daw kasi ko. Nakita ko nila
30 cash, 35 ano, transfer.
Nakita ka rin ganun eh. Nakita ka rin ganun ko eh.
30 cash, 35 transfer.
Ito yun, nasa.
Zamora.
Kama na ba?
Dun lang. Marami dun.
Yeah, wala.
Stock lang. 45 cash. Pero ano, sulit. Daming puff. Tsaka ano, masarap.
14 seconds. Pass to Mark Henry. Nasa loob number 33 is foul.
Taas na, haba.
Habang nga.
Foul number 26. 06. 06.
Gawin mo lang 9. Ilang personal na yun? Ay, sino ba? Zero, first pa lang.
Number 6, first personal foul. First team foul. Wala, 1 out of 2. Odessa. Pass to Gia. Kinasakay. Gil. Zamora. Kinasakay Zales. Kinasakay Gia. Kinasakay Zamora. 6 seconds. To rebound Zamora. Wala. Rebound. Same ball.
Parang si Baby.
14 seconds. Argel, 2 horns.
Tigit!
Deso.
Switch!
Nasa kay Sales. Agurin. 10 seconds. Agurin for 3. 40. Armax. Light ball.
Time out.
Mark, ball. Nasa kay Mark Henry. Number 33. Mark Henry. 2 ball.
Time out shoot, pre. Time out shoot.
Albert. Wala. Nakuha ni Sales.
Wait lang.
Foul number 10, third personal foul. Time out. Parico.
Sino ka nakashoot dito kanina yan? Malvin. Hindi, si Carlton. Hindi, after niya. Ayaw yung muli? Siya. Yung layup kaliwa. Puta. Bilitin tayo ng mat. May di ba? May mat? Ang mat. Sapatos? Hindi, di effective yun. Hanggat walang hanggat maalikabok yung court. Makapit lang yung maalikabok.
Odessa. Pass to Zamora. Winter. Mid-range jumper is good. Ball is still covered by Zamora. Kaya wala. Number 24, first personal foul, second foul. Albert for three, bang!
Stop!
14 seconds, Zamora. Sinasakay JR sa loob. Is foul. Foul number 33, first personal foul, second foul. Two shots for Gea Agorini.
Parang ako rin nantok ah. Malamig kasi. Sakit ng pa ako. Ay, mata.
10 seconds. Still
Trouble!
struggling violation. Arkel, in and out, rebound to Deso.
Sakto yan. Kaya sakto.
Substitution rep. Number 21. Who's the rep?
23.
33. Second personal foul, 13 foul. Winter. 10 seconds to shoot. Pinasakay Deso. Tumira ng tres. Short. By Winter is good. Number 33 loses the ball. Zamora pinasakay Agurin. Agurin. Wala. Rebound ni Zamora. 14 seconds. Green set, 6 seconds. Zamora for 3. Wala. Rebound. Toy. Arkel, dire-diretso. Support. Zamora. Pinalitan niya yung Deso. 10 seconds to shoot. Winter for 3. Short. Albert. 2 ball. Deso. 10 seconds. Winter. Push up. Wala. Rebound number 33. Still by Deso. Deso. Sa loob. Space foul. Foul number 21. First personal foul. Warning for penalty. Zamora. 10 seconds to shoot. Winter, 2 points. Pass to number 33. Nasa may partner. Point. Pinasa loob, steal by Winter. Winter, binalik kay Zamora. Pinasa kay Agrin. 2 points. Koy, nasa kay Jess. Koy, pass to Mark Henry. Binalik kay Koy. Nakuha ni Albert. 2 points. Zamora. 6 seconds before the next shot. Zamora. Foul.
21.
Number 21, second personal foul. Penalty, ref, penalty. Penalty ko, penalty. Shot for number 10, Zamora.
Pwede si Jason uminom na? Uminom na si Jason? Pero kayo.
2 shots are good para kay Zamora. We should score.
Bumili raw siya, sabi niya kagabi.
Rod, pass to Boy. Boy drives. Tumira is foul. Foul number 24. Second personal foul, first foul. 2 shots for number 7.
Lamig. Ano pa sa likod niya, pre? Enriquez.
First shot is airball. Second shot is good. 1 out of 2 para Alcor. 40 seconds. 8 seconds. Jesse. Pass to number 11. 2 points. Albert. Pass to Mark Henry. Rod. Tumira ng 3. Wala. Rebound number 11. Nasa Jesse. 14 seconds. Jesse sa loob, pinasa kay Sales. Swaton, block. Sable, 2.3 seconds to shoot. 2.3 seconds.
Hindi ba tumama sa
No, shot clock violation. Sorry. Shot clock violation. Wala.
Shot lock.
Hindi ko ano eh.
Stop.
Sabay!
Shot clock muna.
Stop daw.
Oras. Takbo.
Yellow 7 for a foot.
I think it's shot the violation.
But it's still a foul. So the ball was still in play. So it's still a foul. But there's no 2 shots, and it goes to yellow.
Kasi pinindot ko, ay pindot.
Yeah.
I pressed the shot button, but it's not. Ay, boss.
But the ball is still playing.
Like, lagay mo sa bag, you release the ball. So the ball is still in play. And then so we're going to give 2 shots, but it's still a foul on yellow 7.
7.
Foul number 7. No shot. Baseline inbound. No free throw. Baseline inbound. Wala. Mark Henry, pinasakay Paruchel. Paruchel pinasakay Koy, Mark Henry, 2 points. Steal by Paruchel. Paruchel, 2 points. Time out. Arigo.
Ano pa, under 5 minutes? Sakto na 10 minutes. 10 lamang nila. 10 lamang nila.
Ba't ikaw din naman pag nahabol ka, syempre. Tawa pala lang tayo ko, kahit sabi mo. Ay, wala ba tayo dito?
Pamatay sunod.
Time viewers.
Si Boss BMS.
Back on the goal.
Ang talo pa kay... Talo pa? Nandiyan na? Oo. Lamang na sila kanina.
Steal by Gilly Jewels. Rod, pinasakay. Koy, pero foul. Foul number 10, second personal foul, first team foul.
Second team pa rin eh. Foul pala kanina kaya.
Two shots for number 7.
Sino ba foul kanina? Sino ba foul kanina?
First shot is good.
Si Kuya. Ah, okay.
Second shot, wala. Line violation. Official score, 39-30. 9-point lead by Mrs. Market Marco. Zamora, nasa kagkisi. Pinalik kay Zamora. Zamora, nasa kay Charles. 10 seconds. Zamora, 4-3. Wala, rebound. Jesse. 10 seconds. Zamora. Foul number 99. Number 99. First personal foul, second team foul.
Kuha ng katawan mo! Gamit ng katawan! Kuha ng tao! Kuha ng tao! Ayan, walang kamay! Walang kamay! Alis na!
10 seconds. Pinasakay Zamora. Steal. Out of bounds. Sales. Pass to Jesse. Nasa kay Zamora. 14 to shoot. 8 seconds. Jam is fouled.
Wala pa.
Foul number 99, second personal foul, third team foul.
3 minutes sa tawag ka. Time out kuya. Time out kuya. 3 minutes.
10 seconds. Zamora binasa kay Winter. Wala, huli na. Zamora ba rin? 2 points. 11-point lead by Mrs. Marker. Foul.
Time out kuya Ran. Time out.
Who's foul ref? Foul number 3. Time out. GD Jewels.
Number 3. Second.
Number 3, second personal foul, third team foul. Both teams Wala tig-isang timeout na lang po kayo. Shout out kay Mr. MVP Nagmemegas. Kevin Bong Ruspe.
Ba't pinapatay mo pag ano?
Baka di sila magkarinigan. Wala. Lamig. Yung lamig. Lumilok pa yung man. Putik na yan.
Pinasa na mga ganda.
Parang may hangin kahit walang hangin.
Boy. Paruchan. 10 seconds. Paruchan. 2 points.
Yung pinto sumasagot.
Sales. Pinasa na yung Aurora. Pinasa na Winter. Winter. Pinasa na Jesse. 10 seconds to shoot. Paruchan pinasa kay Koy. Basket, may kasama bang foul? Foul number 3. Unsportsmanlike foul number 3. Number 3. Third personal foul.
Kasi crossing. Didik-dik kasi pag
Kahit sabihin mong dito.
Warning for penalty ball.
Pag tumama.
Boy, short.
may kakampi na.
Wala.
Pero binakuna, tapos bigla mag-Manila. Ano, dapat,
Ano? Clear path.
sorry, dapat,
Parang unsportsmanlike din nata yun.
pag may tao na doon,
Hindi, parang pagka wala pang tao. Like,
pag biglang tumakot sila,
Second shot is good.
Pag pinigilan mong makapass break, parang gano'n.
Rep. Go basket.
isa lang daw.
Yung una lang yung free throw dapat.
Hindi na, 32 yung kanina.
Basket yung tingnan.
Oo.
Tapos nag-hands ko. Isa lang free throw nun.
So yung una, hindi na shoot yung una eh. So, di counted yung pangalawa.
Official score 41-34. 7-point lead.
4 lang. May hangin dito.
Archer drives. Nakuha ni Henry. 2 points. Jesse. Hello. 2 points. Archer. Pinasa kay number 33, 2 points. Sales. Number 40.
Dapat. Ay,
Warning for
penalty na. Penalty.
warning. Penalty. Number 40, fourth personal foul.
Sila lang. Hindi. Dalawa pa. Dalawa? Yung pangalawa na shoot. Pag na-shoot yung pangalawa, time out ka. Pwede ba tumayo mo sa gitna? Pwede ba tumayo mo sa gitna ng free throw? Bawal naman, diba? Counted na yun, kuya. Oh. 32 kayo kanina. Galing kayong 32.
Pero ang free throw niya, wala yun. Hindi ko nalawa.
Wala. No-count yun. Shoot yung unang man ah. Pwede sila mong ball yung kitna. Yung tatay mo sa gitna ng dito. Titira mo na ng isa. Tapos time out, bawal yun. Bawal. Sa ano lang? Pwede yun. Pwede yun. Kasi dead ball naman.
Who's involved?
Who?
It should score 45-14 in favor of Maribor.
Bilis ka laban ah.
Okay, the goal again. Mariboy, wala nang time out.
40 seconds.
Sige
sa bakas.
lang.
40 seconds.
Ay, wait lang.
Side ball, 40 seconds.
40 seconds, advance pa kayo, advance.
Advance to.
Dapat dito.
Advance.
Teka lang.
Advance. Kasi matawag sa amin. Nag-decide niya kayo na kami mag-decide din kami.
Ora. Pinasok kay Winter. Pinasok kay Tia. Nawara. Okay lang. 14 seconds shot clock, 14 seconds. Sinipa.
Para set ko lang.
10 seconds.
Yung, kuha!
Foul number 33, third personal foul, warning for penalty. 2 shots for number 40, Winter.
Time out ka. Ball, sinipa.
Box out, guys! Box out!
2 shots, no good.
Yun!
Kabitawan. 24 seconds shot clock.
Dua tao! Sige, lapit!
10 seconds.
Oh, ayun! Yun! Lapit! Ay! 6!
6 seconds shot clock. 6
Guys, 6 lang
seconds.
yan! Walang foul ha! 6 lang yan! Walang foul! 6
6
seconds!
seconds.
Walang sundot ha! Anis lang, anis! Walang sundot!
Kuya! Bijan! Kuya! Ang shot clock!
Kevin!
Foul number 99. Third personal foul. Penalty.
Kung pa talaga tumayo, no?
Walang na-shoot na free throw, pre. Time pa tayo.
Saan kayo kaya?
Shoot time.
Rep, shoot time out ha? Pag nag-shoot.
Run!
The play. Martinez. Drives. In and out. Rebound. Down. Foul number
12. Technical foul? Isang foul tsaka isa pang...
Foul number 12, ha?
foul number 12.
12. Tapos technical foul number 12.
Technical foul number 12. Third personal foul.
Ron. Binura eh. Di naman.
Ball shot for Dea Aguri.
Mas bola pa nila?
Hindi yata. Technical eh. 2 shots tapos bola nila ng yellow.
Penalty pa?
Ba't apat na shot? Kanina isa lang kami.
Tatlo lang kuya, tatlo lang. Bale, yung penalty
Penalty sa kadalawang shots. Tama.
Yellow ball.
Yellow ball.
Ron, dito ka na, Ron.
Pa-time out ba kayo kuya?
Quickly! Okay, run the ball!
8-8 by Marigoy. Arbanas.
Foul tayo! Foulin nyo na! Foul na! Wala na!
Ball. Arbanas. Black ball.
Time out.
Time out. Giri Jewels.
Amin! Hindi ako mayangin dito. Meron ba? Wala? O sa pakiramdam ko lang.
Pakiramdam mo lang yan man.
Hindi mo.
Guligin mo. Gawin mo.
Lamig.
Saan hindi?
Gago.
Hindi ko pala pinicture yung break kanina. Sa gitna?
Wala ka lahat eh. Plano ko talaga picture ako eh. Pero buta ko naman yung eman lahat na sample. Last push.
Both teams, wala na pong time out.
Iniwan yung bola sa gitna.
Parehas po penalty.
Ito, Mira.
Kuyaran bola. Shot clock is off, mga kaibigan. Shot clock is off. Wiggle. Pinasa kay Sales. Then it can wiggle. 3 points. Marchandri. Tumira din ang 3. Short. Ivan Zamora. Tumira din ang 3. Wala. And ang tabugin official score.